how to create a Bybit account. Now first of all, open the Bybit app, and now as you can see, tap on sign up or login. Now here as you can see, you need to provide an email, and now set a strong password. I will just set it and get back to you guys. Now after you set a strong password, you need to check I have read and agree and tap on sign up. Now complete this captcha. I will just retry it. As you can see, it's successfully done. And now as you can see the verification code sent, please check your inbox or spam folder. So you need to go back to your email. I will just go back to my email and copy that code and get back to you guys. So after you copy that code from your inbox, now go back to Bybit and paste it here. And now as you can see, we'll come to Bybit. Now you need to verify your identity. If you want to verify it later, tap on skip. And now as you can see, your account is ready for you. So this is how to create an account on Bybit. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.